Hey everyone, and today we're going to be checking out something special for your feline friends. And what we're looking at is this extra large Catio outdoor cat enclosure. So this is basically a spacious 3-tier enclosure for your feline friends. And so let's check out the features and what this has to offer. So first off, this is made of a high quality, robust, fine mesh material. It's rust resistant, it's easy to wash. In addition to that, it's got reinforced corners that you see over here across all 4 different poles, 2 in the back there and 2 in the front here. And then the construction of this is basically made to withstand claws. So if you actually look at the platforms in which your cats are actually going to land on, the claws are basically nails of your cats. It's made to withstand those scratch resistant materials. Now, as you can see here, the enclosure itself is made of a breathable mesh material, and it's got multiple openings for your cats to actually fit through. So as you can see, you have an opening there, and then on the other hand side, you technically can use this zippered opening as another opening, but then you also have a larger opening there as well. The material that it's made of is made to be actually scratch resistant, as far as making sure that your cat's claws aren't penetrating the actual material. And in addition to that, this is actually made to actually connect with other tunnels if you wish. So by other tunnels, I mean other playsets via tunnels, basically allowing you to customize this cat enclosure and add it on to other cat enclosures as well. So this measures about 41 inches by 37 inches by 57 inches. And with that height, you can see it's a multi 3-tier cat enclosure. This is made for multiple cats. Assembling this is really easy as well. With the assembly process, it's as easy as pressing these orange buttons here and then locking the poles. This top portion here has a locking mechanism, and this is basically the foundation framework to allow this to stand up tall that you see right there. It also includes spots to actually allow you to stake into the ground in case it gets too windy outside and you want to hold this down better. With this cat enclosure, it does fold up, which I'll show you in just a second, but with it folding up, it's going to fit in this bag that you see over here. So this does become more compact and doesn't take up a lot of room if you choose to fold it up. Now, as I mentioned before, what you see here is the mesh material that allows a lot of breathable air to actually enter the cat enclosure, but it does include a tent here, or basically a covering to shade your cats from the sun or shade your cats from the harsh weather. So here, you would just hook this onto this portion here, and this covering is basically going to allow some shade for your cats when this is placed outdoors. So as far as the variety of uses that this is great for, this is going to allow for safe outdoor play with the shading, with the 3-tier levels, and basically an enclosure to kind of protect your cats from the outside weather. It's great for multi-cat households. So you've got 1 tier there, 2 tiers there, and a 3rd tier on the bottom. And also it's travel friendly. So in just a second, I'm going to show you what this looks like when I actually fold it up into the bag. So as you can see here, I have it folded up. It took me less than 5 minutes to disassemble and pack up. It's super portable and small. During the time lapse, you might have seen me accidentally forget to take out the support pads, which added a bit of extra time. But if you do that right from the beginning, that should take you even less time to actually pack this up. So overall, this was made for outdoors, but right now it is extremely hot outside, so I'm just demonstrating for indoor purposes. But even so, really pleased with this. I have no problems with it whatsoever, and this is just going to be a great addition, especially if you have multiple cats, as far as allowing them to have a nice safe playpen for outside. So do check it out.